Portugal is not Spain. If you go to Portugal and you speak Spanish, you will not impress Portuguese people by speaking Spanish. If you come across somebody in the countryside or at a store who doesn't speak any English, then if you speak Spanish, you can ask them, do you speak Spanish? And almost every Portuguese person will understand Spanish if they don't even speak it. So then you can go into Spanish. But you'll get a lot further actually in Portugal by speaking English. Portugal has a very long relationship with Great Britain. They actually have the longest alliance in the world, mostly due to their mutual dislike of the Spanish. So there's a lot of British people that go to Portugal. A lot of Brits will winter in Portugal, especially in the south on the Algarve coast, and all the port wine lodges in the north in Porto are actually owned by Brits. So Portugal is actually a fairly small country. It's about 35,000 square miles, about the size and shape of Indiana. So you could actually drive from the far north up here near the Spanish border all the way down to the Algarve coast in about 6.5 hours if you drove straight through. If you're coming from Spain here in the east and you were to drive all the way to the little tip, Sagres, in the southwest corner, that's about 2.5 hours. So it's a relatively small geographic area. Lisbon, the capital, is the largest city. That's where a great deal of the population lives. And then the second biggest city is Porto in the north. There's also quite a bit of variation in territory. So from the north part of the country is pretty mountainous and green, a little more wet, and the south is a little more dry and arid, especially in the summertime.